In this video, I'll guide you through how to name your Substack so it feels clear, professional, and truly yours. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, but I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you choose a name that fits what you're creating. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your publication settings. Once you're on the main Substack dashboard, take a moment to look around and make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage more than one publication. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options. In that left sidebar, find and click on Profile. This is where Substack keeps your basic information, including the name that shows up publicly to your readers. Clicking Profile will open up a page with your profile details and settings. On your profile page, look for a button or link that says Edit Profile. This is the key to changing your name. Go ahead and click Edit Profile, and Substack will switch the profile information into an editable form. You should now see fields you can update, including your name. Next, locate the field labeled with your name. This is the name that appears on your Substack and helps your readers recognize who the newsletter is from. Click into that field and edit your name to whatever you'd like it to be. As you're choosing a name, think about how you want to be known on Substack. Some people use their real name, especially if they're building a personal brand or writing under their own identity. Others prefer a pen name or a project style name that matches the theme of their newsletter. For example, if you write about technology trends, you might choose something that subtly reflects that focus while still sounding like a person or a recognizable brand. Keep your name simple and easy to spell. This makes it easier for people to remember you and search for you. Try reading it out loud once or twice. If it feels awkward to say, or if it could easily be confused with another writer or publication, consider adjusting it slightly. You might also avoid using too many special characters or overly long phrases, since these can look cluttered on smaller screens and in email subject lines. Once you're happy with the name you've typed in, double check it for spelling and formatting. Make sure capitalization looks the way you want it to, and that there are no stray spaces or characters. This is the name that will appear across your profile, so a quick review is worth the extra few seconds. When everything looks good, scroll down if you need to and save your changes. After saving, your updated name should be reflected across your Substack profile and on the emails your subscribers receive. That's all there is to it. By going to substack.com, opening your profile from the left sidebar, clicking Edit Profile and editing your name field, you've successfully updated how you appear to your readers.